Oh my God, I made it through Vlogtober. I am done with Vlogtober and I'm done. So I haven't watched Halloween Town yet. I think I'm gonna actually watch this. And then I will watch the other ones later on tonight and probably tomorrow, even though it starts, November 1st. I haven't had the chance to watch any of my Halloween movies really that much this October. All right, y'all. Getting ready to go get this pizza.
Did y'all see the woman that was pregnant?
All right, y'all. We're back home from trick-or-treating. I can tell you one thing. I am freaking exhausted. When I say I'm about to go to the shower and lay out on my couch, I'm gonna do just that. But first I gotta put my shoes up. And tomorrow will be a day of cleaning. Because tomorrow starts November 1st, all the Halloween stuff is coming down. And it's being put up. And then in another, I would say another 2 weeks, fall decor is coming down. Good morning, y'all. Happy Saturday. I'm up and I'm out. As y'all can see, I'm up here doing a drive-through order for breakfast for all of us. And then I'm just heading down the hill before heading home to get Dunkin'. So Saturdays, Cam is normally with my grandmother and my grandfather, but because of, like Halloween being yesterday and he just wanted to be at home, and he just said he wanted a break from going over there. Like, I don't make him go. He, makes his own mind up that he wants to go. So because of that, he's home, and I was like, oh, I'll get Chick-fil-A like my grandmother does for everybody, whatever. Honestly, Chick-fil-A breakfast is the cheapest way to go. I get, plenty of rewards to get free hash browns. But Charles got a spicy chicken sandwich. I got chicken and minis. Sky got hash browns and, of course, the chicken nuggets. And then I also got some hash browns. Cam got the chicken hash brown scramble burrito. And then I got a cherry berry Sprite, I think. No, a Coke. And then just an iced coffee. It's been some time since I've tried one of the iced coffees from here. I'll give it a try again. Even though I forgot that I put in an order to get an iced coffee from Dunkin'. So with me getting it at Dunkin', if I don't like this one, hey, at least I got one that I actually like. And we'll just go from there. So the way that, today's going to go, I don't have any plans, honestly. Honestly, I have no plans at all. We got in last night at a good time. We bought donuts back home. So, I was telling you guys, like, we were going to do pizza and donuts. We did pizza and donuts. I bought some drinks over. We walked and I ate, my 2 slices of pizza. The kids ate when they got home because they were just so ready to trick or treat. The pizza literally took about almost an hour to get because I placed it at 5:15 or like 5:03. And then basically it wasn't ready until almost 5:20 something. So, and then when we got inside, I was just beat. I was exhausted, especially from yesterday. So I just showered and called it a night and got into bed. And Charles said we were in bed by 10 o'clock. And on a Friday night, that's normally not us. Lord, let me roll my window up. It is not hot outside. I can tell you that, and they warm. It is 44 degrees. When I first left the house, it was saying that it was 42. So I mean, it's warmed up by 2 little degrees, which, you know, ain't much of nothing. Okay. Anyways, there was a shooting last night, around, like up and around the corner from where we trick-or-treated at. I don't know what happened. I just know it was past 12 o'clock. So clearly, you know, enough time has passed for everyone to do what they needed to do. So I'm gonna go get this Dunkin' and catch you all at home.
So unfortunately, we don't have our pumpkin loaf.
So she said they don't have any more of the pumpkin loaves that I put in for, so I had to get another donut, even though we already have donuts at home. I got these donuts for the kids because the ones that I picked out yesterday from Caitlin were not, you know, what they would like. Like Sky does like cake batter, but honestly, one year I really want to go like out shopping right after Halloween, and just do like, you know, all the candy at 50% off. And I want to, you know, just find some like costumes and stuff to just set to the side and have, you know, like for 50% off. But it's just like I never have myself motivated to even want to do that. Like literally, I thought that it would be this year. Unmotivated. I have been cramping for the last like 2 days. I just like, I'm overworked, I'm overtired. Honestly, I'm just over the week. It was a long week. Thankfully, I have Monday and Tuesday off. Well, I really don't. Monday is supposed to be a PL day where we work from the high school, but I am so uninterested. Those courses that they have do seem interesting, but it's just like, why didn't y'all put the interesting ones back in August? Y'all gave us these uninteresting ones, and then now you expect us to come. So no. Then to top it off, you know, like once again, you all want people to find childcare to come to these things, and they're not interesting. You know what I mean? Like on top of that, you're giving like a light breakfast, which is probably just some fruit and orange juice. Yes, thankful, right? Thankful. Like I said, going into the month of November, being grateful and thankful, but it's just like, and Tuesday is a like work from home day, which I am uninterested in working from home. I do need to do my sight word stuff, finish that. I also need to do my quiet time book for November into December. But then again, like, I think I'm just gonna do December's as, you know, really, really small, because we only have up until like the 19th, I think, or whatever day that Friday is before, whatever. So yeah, that's what that's gonna be. I'm trying to see something. Okay, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, that's what I have to do. So like I said, she was like, oh, you can work from home because I won yesterday the button thing. I can work from home. That's what I was gonna do anyway. breakfast. Put all the Halloween stuff away. Currently, I am cleaning out this closet. I think the way that I want to do it is pink will be like, or the larger pinks, like, you know, like I would hang my clothes up with, just new clothes. The dark pink is going to be like long sleeves or long sleeve dresses. White is just going to be short sleeve dresses. And then the light pink in the back will be short sleeves. That way, because it's going to be wintertime and cold outside, we don't need to keep wearing the same old, you know, switch it up, wear something new, blah, 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 blah. Kind of go that way with it. After this, I'm taking a break. I'm exhausted, I'm tired. All right, finally done. Let me show y'all what it looks like. All right. Everything is organized. No hangers, any kind of way. Literally, long sleeve jackets and long sleeve dresses right here. Regular dresses with white. Pink is all of the short sleeves. And I ran out of the little light pink hangers, so I had to use some white. Hey y'all, good morning. Happy Sunday. Man, the time went back this morning. So originally right now it's supposed to be 8:48, but it's 7:48. I think I'm gonna do grits and some grits and some French toast, just because I have bread and I don't want it to go to waste again. Just like I have milk and I don't want that to go to waste. Like I was saying to the kids, when I have milk, they don't want it, but when I don't have milk, that's when they want it. So like, you know, have cereal, have a cup of milk, you know what I mean? Only on weekends, yeah, right. Anyways, I got my Dunkin' coffee from yesterday. I'm going to stir up. No real plans today, y'all. Hey y'all, I ain't really vlogged much today. Me and the kids just chilled around. Charles chilled around. And we've been watching like scary movies, but then like shows and stuff. So anyways, we just decided to do Chinese food for dinner basically. So I'm heading out to pick it up now. As long as you call before 3 o'clock, it's $12. So what I really wanted was chicken lo mein, and the problem with chicken lo mein is that even if I would have got it by itself, it was the same price as the lunch meal. So the lunch meal I get, and then I got the sesame chicken lunch special along with Charles's chicken and broccoli lunch special. So $35 for that. It is what it is. I am currently at home working on, you know, just setting up like the shorts to get those off of my channel and off of my hands from being on private. I'm also working on, you know, like adding stuff to my cart to Christmas shop for the kids soon. And why are all these cars like just coming out of nowhere? Like literally, I just want to turn. It's okay. All right, so I secured the food, and the guy inside like was in a wheelchair, and he was like, "Hey, do you have any daughters?" And I was like, "Yeah, just one." Thinking that he, you know, maybe he had seen her before or something, or whatever. He was like, "Here, give her this $1 in the name of Jesus." And I'm just like, I get it, you know, being nice. I put it in the tip jar. I feel like in this time, everybody needs their own money for their own selves. I mean, it's about to get bad. But I think that, you know, with prayer and everybody, you know, working with each other and not against each other, that, you know, this too shall pass. So I'll show you at home our food and what it looks like. And that is dinner. It is 3:14 right now. Yes, and I need to change my clock before I get out this car. All right, y'all. I have ate good. Dishes need to be done just because of what we used today. Been building up ice for the kids, throwing trash away, cleaning up. Trying to get a feel of like how we want to rearrange the living room to put the tree. No, my tree isn't going up today. I do have tomorrow and Tuesday off, so November 3rd and November 4th, but we gotta figure out a solution first before I put this tree up. So anyways, catch up with you guys in a little bit.